Time to make some slime.
First thing for making slime is glue. I'm going to add half of glue so I can make stuff in it. Be right back.
Here's a slime.
Okay. So I only add a little bit just because of the process, but now you want to add water to your slime. It actually works very well. And it doesn't turn out what you want. Add more glue and it actually will work, and I'll be right back after I activated everything. So here is the slime. I can't take it out because it's too sticky, but I just put hair in it. Oh yeah. That's the slime. It's actually did turn out good. I did forgot to add the coloring, so I will be right back. So I'm going to add some poster paint and pink paint. I'm using glitter and I'm using paint. Okay. I put too much. Okay. Hold on. That's the slime. I actually put it too soon, and I added secret ingredient. If you don't know, try to guess. Secret ingredient, but I put glitter in it. You probably can't see, but this is cookie slime, and it is white and pink. So I don't know. Name it. Okay, I made a slime. Anyway, shout out to Wyatt, it's Rachel's dog. Last time, giving a shout out to it. So yeah, see you guys. Hi guys. Oh my gosh, it's sticky slime anyways.